Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to another new video. Now this video is really special because we are at that time of the year when we create planners and journals for the next year. We set all these resolutions and I think this is the time when we focus a lot more on self-improvement. We take a note of all the things that we have achieved in the last 1 year, and overall I find this time of the year really pleasant and positive. So coming back to planners, now from last year I started using a proper planner and I've realized all the things that you need in a planner, and now I understand the hang of it. And last year also I created this DIY planner on Canva and it was like a PDF thing, but this time I have actually got it printed as well, and I'll show this to you. Now it's not necessary or mandatory that you have to get this planner printed, but if you want you can do that. Otherwise you can just use this as a PDF with the help of a PDF editor. You can also add a Chrome extension, so you don't have to get this printed otherwise. But if you want to get it printed, you can do that. Now the best part about creating your own planner is that you don't have to invest all the money at once. You can just create the spread for a particular month, use it for that month, and then get it printed again for the next month. And Canva is such an amazing tool. There are so many options and it's for free, so I use the free version, and with that I have created this. Now I got this printed to see how it looks in in a physical format. And the thing is, you can use different kind of paper quality. It's not mandatory that you have to go for a photo print or for 100 GSM. You can also get it printed on a very plain A4 size sheet. So after getting it printed, when I saw it, honestly I fell in love with it. Now the planner that I have created is in the theme of movies and TV series, because honestly when I think about a certain movie series, it definitely gives me a particular month's vibe. For example, autumn or fall for me is all about the TV series Gilmore Girls because of their beautiful fall landscape, and December for me is all about Harry Potter. So there are such themes for every month. Now it's not necessary that you have to go for this theme only, but I particularly loved it, and that's why I have created every month spread based on a movie series or a TV series. But it totally depends on your personality, and that's the best part about creating a DIY thing, because it's going to be completely according to your wish. It will be so personalized, and you can add the pages that you want. Like for example, if you want 2 to 3 pages for affirmations, you can create them, get it printed. Or if you want to write a lot of quotations, you can create such pages. So I'll show you what I have created. So first see the screen recording, learn how I created it, and then you can try to make your own version of it. But if you like what I have created, then you can go to my Instagram profile. I will provide the link in the description box, and also I will pin it in the comments. You can go there on my Instagram profile, and if you like what I post there, you can choose to follow me, but it's not like a mandatory thing. You don't have to necessarily follow me, but since you're there, you can follow me. It really helps me. So you can go on my Instagram profile and DM me there that you want the planner, and I'll send you the Google Drive link so you can download it from there. And yeah, if you want to get this one printed, or if you want to use the PDF version of this, you can just ping me on Instagram and I'll send you the link so that you can download it. Also, if this is the first time you're going to use a planner, I think this is a great way, because you can just get started with it. See if you are actually using the planner that much or not, because a lot of times you already get your planner, you have already invested your money, and then you just are not planning anything, or maybe you just don't have anything to plan for a particular month. So what you can do is you can get it printed and see if you're using it that much, if what are the pages that are absolutely necessary for you. So you can just go about it like that. And for example, if you are going on a trip or a vacation for a particular month, you won't be planning a lot of stuff, or maybe you will be if it's like a work/vacation. So I mean, it totally depends on your needs. So I mean, I think it's a great idea to create your own planner and get it printed, or just use the PDF if you want to. Alright, now without any further blabbering, let's get into the video, see the screen recording, and you can learn how to create the whole thing. And if you want to customize and personalize it any further, you can do that. And yeah, after that I will show you the planner up close, how it looks and everything. I really hope that you will enjoy this video. By the way, if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to me yet, then consider subscribing. And if you like this video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me to know that you are enjoying the video. And if you have any questions, any queries, then let me know in the comment section. I always reply. I may take some time to reply, but I will always reply. My regular followers know that I do that. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first step is to go to canva.com, search for report in the template, and you will get the A4 size sheet template. Let's name the file planner 2022, and then I'll choose a color for our planner. Now, there are so many options. You can just choose whichever shade you want to, but I feel like pastel colors go the best, so I will choose a shade of blue. Next, I'll go to elements and I'll search for patterns. And in the patterns section, there are so many options. I'll go for this particular one, the leafy one, and I'll just drag it and cover the whole page with the pattern. And then I'll choose this circular shape, bring it at the center, and then I'll choose a text from the text menu. I particularly like this one a lot, so I'll just use this and write 2022, I've got you. You can use any texts you want. There are so many options on Canva, but if you're using the free one, then you will only be able to use the free ones. The ones that have pro written on them, you can use them only if you purchase the Canva subscription. So this is the color scheme that I have picked for our planner, and I think it looks really nice. I think it's pleasant to look at. Now let's click on the add page and let's go to the next page. Then I'm going to the elements section, and I'm going to choose just some random elements for this page. However, you will see the final product at the end, but I'm just showing you how you can create the kind of planner that you want to with the help of these patterns. You can just pick random patterns, change the color, and see what you like. You can rotate it as per your requirement and set them like this. If you want to bring a translucent color, then you can do that as well. So there are multiple options. So my suggestion is to spend some time trying to fix things from here to there, and so that you can create the kind of planner that you dream of. Now I'm writing this planner belongs to, and I will create a line as well, like a fill in the blanks kind of line, so that I can write my name there. You can also write your name over here as well, but I think I want to write my name with a pen, so that's why I will just leave a space for that. In the elements section, just type line and you will get so many different options. I'm using this simple one. I'll just drag it and make it a little bit longer because I want to write my full name. So it totally depends on the length of your name. If you have a big name, then you can just create a longer line. And then I'm writing 2022 over here, and then I'll just fix it in the center. So this is how it looks. I think it looks really nice, although the final product is a little different. Now this is the next page, highlights for 2021, and above that you have this duplicate page option. Now while I was creating this, I forgot to record it, so I'm really sorry, but it's simple. You just have to go to the elements option and look for a square, and then you can create these two things. It's pretty simple. You can see this on the left side on the recently used part. So just duplicate page and change it to goals, to vision board, and all of that. Now for vision board, I'm going to use some notes. So I typed notes in the elements section, and over here there are some free options, so I chose this one, and now I'm just looking for different colors that will go with the whole thing. So these are the 4 notes that I used, and I think this looks really nice. Now for the next page, I am going to write affirmations, and first I thought that 1 square is fine, but then I thought I'll just create different sections for different affirmations, and then I'll just copy paste. So that option on the extreme right is the duplicate option. So all you have to do is just click on that, and you will get as many copies as you want. So this is how the affirmations page looks, and you can make as many copies of this page and write as many affirmations. The next page is brain dump, and it's just simple. I'm not going to make it fancy. I'll just write whatever I want to. Now let's come to the monthly pages. So for January, I picked up the theme of friends. Now all you have to do is download pictures from Google, and then you have to upload them over here on Canva. So on the uploads option, as you can see on the left side of the window, you have to click on the purple bar where upload media is written. You have to click there and then add the pictures from your PC, and it will appear over here in the uploads part. And then you just add the pictures and arrange them as per your requirement, however you want them to look. So this is how I created it, and then I added this square and then arranged it in this particular way, and I will change the color of this square to white, and then I will make it a little translucent, like so that I can see the background, the face of all the actors as well, but I'll write January over it so that it will look really cohesive. You will see in a minute how it looks. So I'll just choose white, then I will make it a little transparent, and I've written January. So first I went for this font, but in the end, for the final product, I went for one particular font for all the pages. I think that was better for me because I could not find many amazing fonts. So this is the January page. Now for February, I went for this TV series, Korean TV drama. The name of this drama is True Beauty, and I love it. I recently watched it. It was really fun. So I did the same thing like January, and the font that I picked up was Apricots. And I really love this font, and this is the font that I have used for all the pages in the final product. We are quickly skipping to April because I forgot to record March. For March, I went for Vampire Diaries, but I forgot to record it. You will see it in the final clipping. But for April, I went for Pride and Prejudice. Now, if you know me, you would know that I love Pride and Prejudice, especially this one. I've read the book so many times, and I've watched this movie so many times, and I think this just beautifully go with the summer theme. So that's why this is the one I chose for April, and this is how I've arranged the pictures. I love the big picture of the two. They look so nice together. For the next month, I went for The Fault in Our Stars. I mean, how can I not? The Fault in Our Stars, the movie and the book, both are my absolute favorites. I have watched the movie so many times. I've read the book like more than 50 times. I can easily say that because I really have read that book so many times. I've learned the quotations. So that's why I had to add TFIOS. So here is the one, and then I'll just add the name of the month. I went for May because I don't know why, but I just thought for May this one will be perfect. Okay, next we have Little Things. Now, I mean, how can I not add this? I think Little Things is one of the most beautiful web series I've ever watched. It's so pleasant, it's so warm. However, I did not like the last season. I don't know, there was just something about it that I just did not like. It was not that flattering. It was not like, I just don't know. It just felt really incomplete. It felt half-hearted for some to some extent. I have no idea how you felt. I'm sorry for just like, changing the picture again and again, but that's what you have to do when you are arranging the pictures. You just add it and see which one looks the best, which one is the picture you would want to look at. So that one was Little Things. And next I have Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is a movie that I have watched again and again. जब भी मेरा mood खराब होता है, I always watch this movie because it instantly lifts up my mood. And I thought I have to add it. So here it is for July. These are the pictures that totally describe the movie for you. And I love how free-spirited this movie was. Next, for August, I went for the pictures of Otis and Maeve, Otis and Eric, his mother, and Maeve and Amy. So like, I mean, of course, all the characters in this web series are amazing, but these are my favorites. And then for September, I have you. I mean, how can I forget Joe? And this picture with Beck in it, in the library and with all the books and all. I think this one really gives you the vibe. It's a little like scary, but I think from September we kind of start getting into that mood. For October I went for Gilmore Girls, but I forgot to like record it, I guess, so I'm really sorry. Anyway, so for November I have Sherlock Holmes, and for December I have Harry Potter, and I added all the 3 characters and Dobby because like I am a fan of Dobby, and who is not? So this is our final planner. This is how it looks, and over here you can click on the duplicate page thing and you will get multiple copies of the same page. So if you want multiple copies of a certain template, you can get that. I created this one for quotations, this one for maybe sticking some pictures, this one to write something about yourself, and this one for lists, maybe reading lists and all of that, or income and expenses. So this is the planner, and I think it turned out really well. Now click on the download option and your planner is ready. Alright guys, so that was the planner. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and you learned something. I hope that you found this video valuable because that was my intention. And yeah, if you liked what you saw, then definitely consider subscribing, like this video, and definitely click on the bell icon so you are notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.